Hey coders, creators, and curious minds. Welcome to BlackSattai AI, where we review tools that actually work, no fluff, just the facts. Today, we're reviewing Tabnine, an AI code completion assistant that's fast, lightweight, and developer-friendly. So, is it a solid coding companion, or just another autocomplete hype? Let's break it down. What is Tabnine? Tabnine is an AI code assistant that integrates into your favorite IDEs like Versus Code, JetBrains, Sublime, and more. It predicts your next lines of code, completes functions, and even offers full snippets just like GitHub Copilot, but lighter and focused only on code prediction. Unlike other tools, Tabnine runs locally and respects your code privacy, no cloud syncing unless you want it. How to use Tabnine? Download the Tabnine extension for your IDE. Start typing code as usual. Suggestions pop up in Lineate. Ignore or modify completions with the keystroke. Upgrade for team collaboration and smarter model training. It works across multiple languages: JavaScript, Python, TypeScript, Go, Java, C++, PHP, and more. Who should use Tabnine? Solo developers who want smart autocomplete instant learning code and exploring real-world syntax. Freelancers who want speed plus privacy. Idioms that need lightweight, secure AI help inside code editors. Pros: extremely fast, non-intrusive suggestions, integrates with all major IDEs. Strong privacy, doesn't send your code to the cloud unless you allow it. Works offline with local models. Free plan is usable and stable. Cons: not as intelligent as Copilot for multi-line completions. Doesn't explain code or answer questions. UI is minimal, no real chat or prompt box. Paid features needed for team or enterprise use. Data and privacy. Tabnine emphasizes local first AI. That means your code stays on your system. Even in the cloud plan, Tabnine says it doesn't store or reuse your code to train global models unless you explicitly opt in. This makes it ideal for enterprise, freelance, or sensitive client work. BlackSattai Verdict: Tabnine is not trying to be ChatGPT for coders. It's the minimalist, efficient sidekick, quiet, fast, and focused. If you want instant code completion without loading up a full AI chat, Tabnine's the one. Low on noise, high on utility. Another tool, another truth. This is BlackSattai AI.